Noom Premium Health App Pricing explained what you get for your money. You've probably seen Noom advertised as a psychology-based weight loss program. But what exactly are you paying for, and is it worth it? Most people get this wrong, so let's clear it up. Noom Premium costs around per month, though prices can vary based on your personalized plan. That sounds high, but you're not just buying an app, you're buying structured coaching, behavioral training, and science-backed nutrition guidance. Program starts with a quick assessment that tailors a 16-week plan to your habits, preferences, and goals. You'll get bite-sized daily lessons that teach you how to manage cravings, overcome emotional eating, and stay consistent. You also get access to a personal health coach, a real human who checks in with you throughout the program. That's one of Noom's biggest advantages over traditional calorie apps. Most people don't realize how deep the psychology aspect goes. Noom helps you understand why you eat the way you do, not just what you eat. That's the secret to long-term results. For your money, you're getting expert support, proven habit-building tools, and a sustainable approach to health that goes beyond short-term dieting. If you're ready to make mindset your main weight loss tool, Noom Premium gives you the education, accountability, and structure to finally make it stick.